Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to disable or turn off your multi-factor authentication on your Discord. Hey guys, so here's how to disable your two-factor authentication on your Discord. So first we will be doing the desktop version. So on your desktop, of course, you want to open your Discord and log into your account. So right here, of course, you want to go to your user settings, scroll down on your My account, scroll down, and you will see the password and authentication. So take note, if you want to turn this off, so it is like given that you already have an authenticator app. So that's why mine says that I want to change the password only, and there's no remove the two-factor authentication or disable two-factor authentication. So there's nothing shown in mine because I don't have any authenticator app. But if you do have, so you want to click the 2FA or disable two-factor authentication. So enter either a code from your authenticator app or one of your backup codes. Next is you want to confirm Discord will disable two-factor authentication and show a confirmation message. So if you're using the mobile or iOS app, you just want to open the Discord app and then tap your profile icon, your profile icon on the bottom right, and then tap my account and then scroll to find and tap remove 2FA and enter your authenticator code or backup code and then confirm to disable two-factor authentication. And that is it on how to turn off or remove the two-factor authentication on your Discord.